Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be kind of like a vlog style. This is the intro to the intro, and I think you guys are going to enjoy just a bunch of random clips on how we made just a ton of pork from when we went to Costco, when we cooked it, woke up early in the morning. So I hope you enjoy the video. Now let's roll the real intro.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Trimming.
Wow, that's a lot of pork.
A lot of butt.
More importantly, do you know what time it is right now?
Too late. We should have been started on this an hour ago.
It's 3:15 in the morning, babe.
Yeah. And we should have been up an hour ago. We're running behind. Who needs sleep when you have to cook for the Shasta High School football team?
Went to Costco. This is $150 worth of boneless pork butt. This is 45 pounds of pork butt. Babe did a little light trimming, and now they need to be rubbed down and seasoned. Rub your butt, pull your pork.
That's what you should be doing at 3:30 in the morning.
Rubbing your butt and pulling your pork. Everybody's favorite uncle, UncleSteveShake.com. The original smoke bomb, pig shake. These are our weapons to go to. This stuff is fantastic, so I'm gonna murk you, dog.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
We're going to use pig because this is the absolute best. Daddy Dutch approved.
Kent? I don't even know that guy.
I don't either. Okay. So we're going to cover this little baby really, really heavy because this is boneless. See, you act like I don't know anything or pay attention, but I could make these in my sleep. Okay.
You've made a pulled pork in your day or two?
I've done a couple of them. So I know we have to go heavy because they're boneless. And they are.
Sick. They're 8 pounds each.
Yeah. They're biggles.
Biggles? If shake falls below this line, contact Uncle Steve in an emergency. Uncle Steve, it's an emergency. We've only seasoned 3 and a half, and we're out. What are we gonna do? Uncle Steve, save me. And now we're out of Uncle Steve's.
Back in the day, pulled pork, like a pork butt that size, was like $12.
I know. Food prices have definitely gone up, that's for sure.
I'll lead an effective strategy to mobilize true international effort to pressure.
Just fired up both grills using the best pellets, Naughty Wood Barbecue Company pellets. And we have a bug zapper because they brought me to the country, apparently. So we're getting both of these things fired up. Pit Boss and the little cheap King Chi Amazon grill. Both of these set at 250 degrees. And we're going to put all 6 pork butts across all of these at 250 degrees. Yes, they will be done in time. We have to be ready by 4 p.m. Shredded, rested, ready. Let's boogie. So the little Amazon King G, all done.
Yes.
Oh yeah, babe. That's a lot of blood.
Yeah, it is. Like that?
Yep.
Does that look good? Okay. 5 hours.
5 hours. What do you got there? Apple juice and water?
Yeah.
5 hours. You can't even see because of the shadows. My goodness.
Wet this baby down.
You're wetting your butt?
Yeah, I'm wetting the butt. It's getting a little dry.
After 5 hours. What does this one look like over here? When's it going to be time to wrap, babe?
I don't know. Have you temped them yet?
I haven't.
Oh, we better do that.
I better do that. 159. What's that?
154.
154. Alright, so we're wrapping a little bit. This is the mid-video break. We're in the middle of the video. I hope you guys are enjoying the clips, but I gotta roll the tier 2 and the epic tier 3 channel members, everybody that's taken the time to hit the little join button right next to the subscribe button, everybody that shared our videos on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, I think it's called X now, not Twitter, but everybody that's taken the time to show us a little bit of love, thank you very much. You guys support our YouTube hobby, our channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let's roll some more clips. Let's see how this pork turns out. Babe did all the wrapping of all these fun things. So everything's wrapped individually. Every butt is wrapped individually. And we wrap them, or Babe wrapped them, with apple juice, butter, and a little more Uncle Steve's shake. You wrap them double foil tight until they reach an internal of approximately 205 degrees, or they're probe butter tender. So now that everything is pulled off, this is kind of how we do it. We just wrap everything in towels, all the individual things in towels, and we just let it rest for an hour, hour and a half. Just kind of let it calm down after that long cooking process. And then we'll get to shredding and make pulled pork, which are all going to be in there. So the plan is that we have a big tray of coleslaw like that, and then Babe is going to fill these big tins full, so on the buffet line that they can just grab it. And then I think Marcy's using hamburger buns. Against our better judgment.
No, Marcy, no.
You should have used King's Hawaiian rolls.
Those
but we got coleslaw,
best.
Barbecue sauce. She's using hamburger buns to make fat-ass pulled pork sandwiches. And then they can dish out as much pulled pork as they want.
Yeah.
So, but it's juicy. It's Lucy.
It's delicious. The flavor is fantastic.
That makes you happy? This is tray number 3 of 6.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we can put 3 trays per big tray.
3, so each butt is, I think, 8 pounds. So 24 pounds in each tray?
Yeah.
Is that basically it?
I think so. And they only wanted to do 10 pounds?
Yeah, I don't know about that. You're feeding 45 people.
Yeah, I think this will. And then people can take some home, too, if they want.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, you're getting juicy.
It's Juicy Lucy over here.
Hey, can we talk about your outfit?
Okay.
It's 95 degrees outside and you're in a sweater.
Well,
And you're in Eskimo boots. Good thing I keep the house at 22 degrees.
Yeah, it's cold. I'm cold in here. But I'm hot.
Get your pom-poms. Get your pom-poms.
I got my pom-poms. Rah, rah. Let's go, Wolves. Yay. That is a lot of meat right
Everybody that's made it this far in the video, this is a culprit that caused this to happen.
I take full responsibility.
Full responsibility.
Full responsibility.
But I have a nice hat.
You do. Yay, Shasta Wolves.
It's my alma mater.
Oh, right?
Yeah, she was on the lesbian softball team.
Get out of town. Don't post that.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm posting it.
Okay, here's meat. There's a lot. What do you want to put it in?
I have a box.
Okay.
All right, Coach, how's that barbecue?
It's delicious.
It's
all
delicious.
on my face.
Perfect,
Thank you,
perfect.
ma'am.
As it should be. Thank you. Shasta High School football JV barbecue. How's the barbecue, guys? Good? Good stuff? Okay. Hey, guys, give me a review on the barbecue for YouTube. How was it?
0 out of 10.
0 out of 10?
Don't come back ever
Don't
again.
come back? You better try again.
10 out of 10. It was 9 out of 10.
Perfect. Guys, barbecue's good? Okay. Ty, for YouTube, how was the barbecue?
It was 10 out of 10. It was
10
the
out
best
of 10.
pulled pork I ever had.
Tell me how the barbecue was.
10 out of 10.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thumbs
the best
up?
party I've ever been to.
Okay, perfect. Coop, for Josh and Babe's YouTube, how was the barbecue? Pretty good? That's all we get is a pretty good?
It was like a 10 out of 10.
Josh started smoking this at 3:30 in the morning. You better tell him how good it is.
It was great, Josh. Thank
Perfect. Can we get a thumbs up? There we go. Perfect.
That's all the clips. Now we're going to roll the outro. That's how you make YouTube videos. It's crazy. Thank you guys for watching.